I came to Dr. Gravory in search of a second opinion. I was referred to him by a coworker. Initially, there was a more simple procedure that had been suggested by the first physician that I saw. However, because Dr. Gravory took the time to run additional tests, have me do the additional CT and additional x-rays, he then was able to see that procedure would not have corrected the issue. We did discuss the options that I had, and I decided to go with the surgical option. I believe that he saw it was difficult news for me to hear, and he did his best to remain professional and be very calming. He took his time. He did not seem to be in a rush to just get me through his office and continue with, seeing patients. I really felt like he was considering all options for me and really giving me all of the information that I needed to make an informed decision. The procedure that I ended up having was an inpatient procedure, and after the first 24 hours, the hospital had their staff get me up and start walking around. Although it was uncomfortable, the pain was being managed, and I went home after 2 days. After I went home from the hospital after the procedure, I felt after about 2 weeks that I was starting to then feel better and getting back to normal. The actual pain had subsided. I was decreasing the medication that I was taking, and after week 3, I was basically on over-the-counter pain relievers. Prior to me having the surgery with Dr. Gravory, I was in pain and having to take pain medication just about every day. And since I've had the procedure, other than the muscle soreness from recovery, I'm no longer having to take any medication. Dr. Gravory's staff was excellent. I was greeted very nicely by the reception staff. They were very courteous. They answered all the questions that I had. If I have a friend or someone that is having issues with neck, back pain, I would definitely suggest that they see Dr. Gravory.